Imagine a place where towering mountains touch the sky, their peaks cloaked in snow, standing as silent sentinels over the land. Crystal-clear lakes mirror the clouds, creating a serene and almost magical landscape that feels like a dream. And ancient forts whisper tales of history, standing as proud reminders of a rich and storied past. Welcome to Skardu, Pakistan's hidden paradise in the heart of the Karakorams, where nature and history blend seamlessly to create an unforgettable experience. In this video, we're taking you on an epic journey through Skardu, its stunning valleys, thrilling adventures, and rich culture. So buckle up and let's explore.
Skardu isn't just a destination, it's an experience. Nestled in Gilgit-Baltistan, this gem is the gateway to the world's highest peaks, including the mighty K2. But there's so much more, let's dive in.
Start your trip in Skardu city, where history meets adventure. Visit the ancient Kachura fort, explore the bustling bazaars, and take a boat ride on Kachura Lake.
Next up, Shangrila Resort, known as Heaven on Earth. This spot is pure magic. Stay in charming wooden cabins, enjoy the serene lake, and don't forget to try the local trout fish.
For a surreal escape, head to Deosai Plains, one of the highest plateaus on Earth. This untouched paradise offers breathtaking views and an unparalleled sense of tranquility. In summer, it transforms into a golden wonderland with wildflowers and roaming bears. The vibrant colors and diverse wildlife make it a photographer's dream. And yes, the iconic Sheosar Lake is here too. Its crystal-clear waters reflect the surrounding mountains, creating a picture-perfect scene.
Ever seen a desert surrounded by snow-capped mountains? Kachura Desert is one of the highest cold deserts in the world, perfect for a thrilling jeep ride.
Calling all adventurers, Skardu is a trekker's dream. From the challenging trails of Hushi Valley leading to Mashobroom to the peaceful Basho Valley, every step is a postcard moment.
Pro tip, camp under the stars at Upper Kachura Lake. The silence, the reflections, it's pure bliss.
Skardu's culture is as rich as its landscapes. Visit the 17th century Kaplu Palace, now a heritage hotel, or the ancient Chakchan Mosque, one of the oldest in the region.
Don't miss the Balti culture. Try their apricot dishes, buy handmade crafts, and soak in the warm hospitality. Before you go, here are quick tips. Best time to visit, April to October, fly to Skardu or take the epic Karakoram highway road trip. Pack layers, weather changes fast.
Skardu is more than a destination, it's a feeling. Whether you seek adventure, culture, or just breathtaking views, this paradise won't disappoint.
So, are you ready to explore Skardu? This place is absolutely stunning with its majestic mountains and serene lakes. You won't believe the beauty until you see it for yourself. Drop a comment if you're adding this to your bucket list. We love hearing your travel plans and experiences. Your feedback means the world to us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel adventures. We have so many exciting destinations to share with you. See you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring and stay adventurous. Goodbye for now.